How is salt made? Salt can be obtained in three places. They are salt mines, seawater, and saltwater lakes. Mineral salts were formed in ancient times when seawater dried up, usually hundreds of meters underground. Seawater and saltwater lakes make salt through processes such as manual evaporation and drying, made by extracting the salt from the brine. The salt crystals in this salt lake are 30 centimeters thick. This is the result of a 2-year evaporation cycle. The salt trucks collect the salt crystals and loads them onto trucks. The trucks take the salt crystals to the saltworks and then poured into this facility to clean it. The algae and the dirt that's mixed in are cleaned out. The salt is washed with brine from the lake. If you use tap water, the salt will be dissolved. The washed salt is put into a hot air dryer. The salt dust and water are dried in 3 minutes. After drying, it goes through a series of sieves. The holes in the sieve are one layer smaller than the other. This separates the particles into 3 grades: coarse, medium and fine. Each of these grades goes to a different conveyor belt and are sent to different production lines for processing. Medium grain salt is used in the manufacture of brine agents, molded in capsule form by this machine, and then packaged in automated production lines. The salt farm produces a variety of other salt products, such as salt for disinfecting swimming pools, paving salt for melting ice on roads in winter, and people's daily salt consumption. And of course they sell it to various industries. The ranch needs a lot of sun-dried salt blocks, so the factory will according to different needs, adding different mineral formulas. Then 23 kilos of salt are put into molds, under a pressure of 750 tons. Formation of large salt blocks. The farmer simply puts the salt block next to his animals. The livestock will then lick, to take in trace minerals like sodium. So, do you know how saltwater lakes are formed?